Hi, to restart and soft reset your Garmin VivoActive 5 as a first step, you will need to find this upper button and hold it till you can see this menu appears on the screen. This is your controls. From here, you need to scroll to find power off option and simply select it and confirm that you want to turn off your watch. And now when the screen will be completely turned off, you will need to hold this upper button again so you could see the Garmin logo appears on the screen. And now we can release the button and simply wait for the watch to turn on by itself. Great, now it's on. So the second way, what to do in the case if your screen is frozen and does not react to your touches. In that case, you would need to hold this upper button again, but now ignore this menu, just continue holding the button and ignore this pop-up notification as well. Just hold the button till the screen will turn off and you'll see the Garmin logo appears on the screen just like that. And now your watch will turn on by itself. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.